Hello everyone, this is Dr. Speranza and we are now on week 11 or maybe week 12 if you want to include our spring break. And today we're going to be talking about your topic or the content that you're supposed to complete for the entire semester and our final exam. So for the last 3-4 weeks of our semester, you are now working on your normal curve, and the next topic that we're going to be working on this week, it's going to be on the central limit theorem, and then the week after that is going to be the confidence interval for mu, and then the hypothesis testing, and then we're done. So those are the only topics that we're going to be covering for this semester. And for your final exam, just like what I've mentioned from the announcement that I sent out to you before, with your linear regression project, you're supposed to be surveying or working on a survey and asking people to complete your survey of two quantitative data set so that you'll be able to analyze it using the skill you've learned from that particular topic on linear regression, or y hat equals a plus bx. And to talk about the project, let's set a Zoom meeting. It's going to be on the 15th of April. So I'm going to set it on Wednesday this week from 12:30 to 1:30, obviously in the afternoon. So I am encouraging you to be in our Zoom meeting, and hopefully I'll be able to see you on your webcam as well, so that I won't feel too alone talking to no one on Wednesday. And that'll be our meeting, so that I'll be able to talk more about the project or the final exam that you're supposed to be turning in through YouTube, because you're going to be uploading your video presentation off of YouTube. And speaking of video presentation, your rubric, I have a draft of the rubric. I can still change this, but for now I'm going to give the video presentation 10 points for your final exam. And for your paper submission, or basically your math work or linear regression project, it's going to be 5 points for the graph, 5 points for your analysis, which means you need to interpret your a, b, r squared, r, and all those lovely numbers that we're producing in linear regression, and your interpretation based on the topic that you're going to be working on for your project. And for your topic, just an idea, you could work on or ask people through your social media on the number of hours they sleep and the number of hours they are completing their work in a week, or online work in a week. You can also work on the number of hours they spend in social media versus the number of hours they spent watching Netflix in a week. You can also work on your social media followers versus your GPA. So these are just some of examples on how you can create a linear regression based on the survey that you're going to be putting out there. And I know that some of you are having a little bit of trouble on how you will collect your data set. So what we can do is, you are going to be collecting it through SurveyMonkey. So you're going to construct your survey, create a link, and you will post your URL or your link off of our discussion page, so that you will have an automatic 20 or 19 respondents in your goal of 50 respondents. So now I'm lowering it down to 50 instead of 100, but I would appreciate it if you can collect as many samples as you could get, because on our next lesson, which is the central limit theorem, we're going to be talking about the importance of sample size. And in statistics, the bigger the sample, the more appropriate your result will be. I'm not saying that it's going to be accurate, but it's going to be more appropriate or more reliable if you have 100 versus 50, of course, depending on your sample. So we're going to talk about it more on Wednesday. And I hope you guys are doing well and have adjusted to our new semester. I know it's crazy. I know that we're all at home and not being able to go out and be with other people, interact with other students. me interacting with students as well. So it's really crazy. I know that it's really challenging, and know that you're not alone, because if it's challenging for you, it's also challenging for us. Look at my hair. I haven't even received any get a haircut because I can't go out. So I'm not sure if this is going to grow longer. But yeah, if you all the things that you're experiencing right now, we're all experiencing it one way or the other. And just want to or let you know that we're all in this together. I know that this will go away, hopefully, really, really soon. But for now, let's just be more positive and try to be just be productive. And speaking of being productive, yeah, your online work. I know I'm not the only online class that you're doing right now. That's why I'm a little bit lenient to you guys. So if you are having trouble, if you are having any concerns about submitting or doing your work, feel free to get in touch with me, because I wouldn't know if you're having trouble if you're not going to let me know about your situation. So yeah, send me an email, Zoom me, or chat, or however you want to communicate with me, and I'll be helping you so that we'll be able to finish this term successfully, because that's all I wanted from you guys. All right, so let's talk more about this on Wednesday. Hopefully I'll be seeing every single one of you in our Zoom meeting. Again, it's on Wednesday, 15th of April, between 12:30 and 1:30, and we're going to talk about the final exam project, and all your questions, I will answer it live on Wednesday. All right? See you, and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye!